Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my little, what is it called? Cheesecake baking session, I guess. We're gonna do the original Mommy Kaulitz cheesecake today. And Tom, you've never done it, right?
I've never done it, and I've never seen you make it either, so I'm excited.
But you've tried it before, and you know how yummy it is.
It was very good. Do you have everything here now?
I think so. So we need 1 kilogram of quark, which is fudge. You don't really have that in America, but like you can use that stuff. That's pretty good. It's like a Greek yogurt almost. And then we need 125 gram of butter, 170 gram sugar. Then we need lemon flavor, 4 eggs, vanilla sugar. Was ist denn Grieß nochmal? Isn't that weird? I don't think they have that in America really, because I'm using baby baby food. You know, that's the same thing. Okay, so this is it, because they don't have that in America. Grieß, not really, and but I'm just using like baby stuff. It's the same thing. It has like the same consistency, so it just works. It's great. The amazing thing is I have all the good kitchen tools, and I never use them. I never do anything but bake. That's pretty much the only thing I can do. Tom, do you want to pay attention?
One second, sorry.
So just take that whole thing. Put it in here. Oh. Oh, this is gonna be so yummy. And now, butter. So you just use like unsalted butter, 125 gram, which is 8.5.
I think.
So 1 stick is 8. So I'm using these 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lots of butter. It's always important.
So because it's so cold and it just doesn't mix well, I would cut it like super small so it mixes in a little nicer. I'm just gonna make this really small because you want it to blend nicely. I'm very clean, so it's always important to like wash your hands in between and like clean up, and like I hate when the kitchen is a mess, you know. 170 gram of sugar, half a cup, or like it's this one, but I think it should be a whole. Cup, don't you think? I mean, I'd rather have it sweet.
3/4 cup. That's what it says. Why did you do too much?
No.
Oh.
What else? Zitronensaftaroma nach Geschmack. Lemon extract.
Extract flavor, yeah.
And you just put. It says just like how you like it. If you want it to taste a little lemony, then you know, go for it. But I just put like a tiny little bit. Okay. What else? 4 eggs. And then vanilla sugar. You just put like 1 whole pack of vanilla sugar. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. And then we put cheese. I don't think you guys really have that in America. So yeah, you just do 3 of these. Baking powder. And then vanilla, like it says vanilla pudding. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna stir it a little bit. Toss it in here. Tom, can you get me a spoon?
Yeah. Give it a spoon here. Is it like a big spoon?
Yeah. Okay, now you put it in the oven for like an hour, depending on the kind of oven you have, on 175 degrees. Alright, let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm presenting the perfect golden cheesecake. So this is like a little Barbary still, so it needs to like deflate. It's gonna come down a little bit, and then we're gonna put it outside, and then it's gonna get cold, and then we can cut it, because you can't cut it like this, otherwise it's gonna.
Yeah.
Yummy. Yum 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 yum.
I told you the trick with the powder sugar.
What do you mean?
How to do it.
Huh?
How to make it look good. Because you always took the bag and like...
No, I didn't. What are you talking about?
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Lecker, lecker, Zuckerbäcker. Bon Appetit.
Dankeschön. So läuft's im Hause Kaulitz. Der Chef wird bedient.
Thank you guys for watching and have fun with my Mommy Kaulitz cheesecake recipe.